Привет всем! Today we're going to talk about some command forms. We're not going to learn how to form commands yet. It's pretty easy, but we'll do that later. For right now, we're just going to memorize some set expressions that are very useful in communication. So some commands that are used to help move along a conversation or to ask for help. So let's look at them. All of these take the dative case for the me. So help me, explain to me, tell me. We'll take the меня. So first we've got Объясните мне, пожалуйста. Explain it to me, please. Расскажите мне, пожалуйста. Tell me in detail, please. And that is very similar to Скажите мне, пожалуйста. Just very simple, tell me. Versus расскажите is tell me in detail, maybe like a story or something complicated and detailed that happened. We've also got Помогите мне, пожалуйста. Very useful one. Help me, please. We've also got Покажите мне, пожалуйста. Покажите мне, пожалуйста, кошку. Вот кошка. Пока. And we've also got Посоветуйте мне, пожалуйста. Can you give me some advice, please? So these are all commands that you can easily use in conversation, in class, anytime on the street, however you need them. They're the formal or the plural forms. So if you're addressing someone who you usually talk to with вы, then you should use that form. If you're addressing someone that you usually use with ты, then you're going to chop off the ending, the те, and you have the informal form and the singular form. So from объясните, we go to объясни мне, пожалуйста, помоги мне, посоветуй меня, покажи, скажи, расскажи мне, пожалуйста. In English, I know that a lot of times we think of command forms as being kind of rude or curt, but in Russian, they don't come off that way. It's totally acceptable to use these, and especially if you add пожалуйста at the end, then you're not considered rude or anything like that. You can also add things on to the end after these commands. So, for example, we had объясни, объясните мне. You can say объясните мне, пожалуйста, что значит это слово. If you don't know what a word is, you want someone to explain what the word means to you. Or maybe you're at the train station, you're not sure where to go. Скажите, пожалуйста, какой поезд идет в Москву? So you can ask for clarification. So these are some really useful commands, and I would definitely recommend that you memorize these ones and try to incorporate them into your speech because they will really help you sound more fluent and more natural when you're talking, and they can be very helpful.